Welding 360 here, here with another welding how-to video. Today, I'm not working on a revolving sign. I'm actually making a lamp. I bought a lamp kit, and that's the base. That part, I gotta weld this piece of metal on top of there so I could put it on there. But the only way I can get it off is by bending the tabs down and screwing it into this, so that way if this breaks ever, I can replace it. I got another piece right there, another I got a smaller one right here for it, but next clip will show that piece bolted on to this. Welding 360 here. I just got done bolting the little tab thing from the last clip to the lamp. It's held down with 2 screws. That way I could take it off. Next, I gotta drill a hole to mount the hardware and stuff. So next clip will show that hole drilled in. Welding 360 here back. I got the kit mounted. Next, the last and final step is to wire it, and then the next clip will show it where it lights up and everything. But yeah, I made all that. I welded that off camera because it'd take a long time. But I bought that kit, and now the last thing I gotta do is wire it to this. Oh, and so I'm gonna have to look it up because I don't know how to do it. So next clip will show it all wired up and have a light bulb in it, and see if it works. Welding 360 here. I got it wired. The lamp is wired now and it's on. Oh, I did it. Never wired it before. Now I know how to do it. That's the whole lamp. Write down in the comments what you think. I know it's not the greatest, but please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welding 360 out.